Okay, from my updates from yesterday, I have completed all these tasks, and only this one is left now. iPad. I am working on this today. Okay, and from okay, this was the error that was coming up. It was happening like of a week ago. Uh, I reported this at that time, but then I upgraded MediaSoap on the server side, and it started working fine, and I never saw this error again. But yesterday, when I was working on the reconnection issue, I again saw this error. So it was only happening when we were reconnecting the users after they were dropped. So what I was doing, I was making them a loop of reconnection because of the development. So there were a lot of connection drops and reconnections. So I saw this error like the ports were unavailable and streams would fail to uh, connect after that. So I have fixed that error by implementing promises and waiting for the connections to properly drop and properly connected again. I'll try to reproduce this error on my local host because I cannot do it on the server because I will have to change some parameters, and I'll do it on my local host. Here is the piece of code that I used to reproduce this connection drop. Like this will drop connection after every 10 second, and after every 10 second the system will try to reconnect the user because of the connection drop. We'll have to wait for the page to reload. So I have reloaded the page. After every 10 seconds the connection will drop, and it will only happen for 2 or 3 times. After this, user will be permanently deactivated. So connection was dropped and reconnected. So I am simultaneously dropping connection for two users. So they are in a audio only mode at this time because of the connection drops, and now the user is deactivated. And after a few more attempts to connect, both of the users are deactivated permanently. Actually, they are not permanently disabled. Their class is 3. Permanently would be like 4, 5, or 6. So they are in audio listening mode, like they can only listen to audio.